Welcome! In this video, we will learn how to open MS Maestro, how to save our work, and how to import structures. Let's get started. To begin, you need to launch MS Maestro by clicking on the Materials Science icon. Be aware that the Schrödinger software comes with a bundle of applications. Make sure you are using the Materials Science interface, which is the graphical user interface designed for all materials science applications. Before beginning any workflows, there are two recommended tasks to perform. The first is to change our working directory. It is the location where file selectors will open by default, and it is the directory where job files will be written and files saved to. The second task is to save our work as a project. Each session in MS Maestro begins with a default Scratch project, which is not saved. It is recommended that you save a new project, which will have a .prj extension. Once a project is created, it is automatically saved each time a change is made. We are greeted by a welcome screen, which shows us recently opened projects and structures. By clicking on New, we can save our project. For demonstration purposes, select your desktop, then click Create New Folder. Let's name this folder Materials_Intro. Then save the project as Materials_Intro. In MS Maestro, you can name files however you like. That said, we recommend avoiding spaces in your file names. Use dashes or underscores instead. In case you have closed the welcome screen or want to change your working directory or save a project, you can do so via the File menu. Next, we will import a group of structures to your project. For the purpose of this video, we will use files provided with our MS Maestro installation. Go to Help, Sample Files, and choose Introductory Tutorial. The usual way of importing your own files is via File, Import Structures. Note that many file types are supported for importing, including .pdb, .cif, and .xyz files. Once you import a file, a banner will appear at the top of the workspace. A new group appears in the entry list. You should now be comfortable with opening MS Maestro, saving your projects, and importing structures.